again, today we have a different job to do. This is air pressure sensor from a Mercedes-Benz car. Pretty much this, I think it measures the pressure inside the tire, and it's got some electronic in it, and it's got a battery. On this one the battery is dead. The customer brought me this with a new battery. The battery was that TR2050HR. It's a 3-volt battery, but it's a little bit more specific. So we have to open this, and we need to desolder the old battery and solder the new one. The model of the sensor is HTS-3200. This thing original cost about 60 euro or something like that, so it's not very cheap. Now this here is sealed, so we have to open it somehow, and after that we're gonna check what's going on inside. So let's check under the microscope to see. We'll need something sharp, because probably we'll need to make the focus. Yeah, everything is sealed, so we have to open it somehow, and after that we have to seal it again. Pretty much that's the space that we need. Now we have to desolder the battery and solder the new one. It took us some time, but they sealed it very good, so yeah. Now let me power on the soldering iron. I forgot to replace the tip. Anyway, the battery is out. Now let's Let's clean the holes inside because we need to insert the new one. Like this. Now let's get the new battery, and since the battery is different, we need to figure out how we can solder it. Now that's the plus and that's the minus, so yeah, it has to be something like that, and it needs to go like this, but since the legs are a little bit wider, we need to be careful not to short something. So in this case we're gonna make the legs a little bit thinner. Like this, and on the other side also like this. Now let's place them and check will it fit. Sorry, you can't see. Yeah, to do something like this we just need to bend them a little bit so we can solder them more easy. And now actually this one we can bend it and put it inside like this. And this one also. Yeah, I think it's better. Yeah, like this. Now let's put some flux and let's try to solder it. Yeah, we need to push it and you can't see, sorry, but yeah. Yeah, not the best solder job, but it should do the trick. Now let's clean it. Yeah, like this. Now I'm gonna put some glue on the edges and I'm gonna use a clamps to hold it like this. I'm gonna leave it for 24 hours to dry, and after that I'm gonna call the customer. We'll try with D7000. I think it should be fine. There is no pressure in here, so it's only an electronic. Now let's squeeze it a little bit like this. We're gonna put a bigger one here so it can hold better, like this, and on the edges we're gonna put from the smaller ones, or no, I'm gonna put a big one also. Yeah. Just to be sure it will be steady, I'm gonna put some glue on the outside edges also, and I'm gonna leave it like this for a couple of hours, and I think it should be fine. It doesn't look very factory, but the manufacturer didn't make this to be replaceable. You just have to buy the new part and that's it. Yeah, I got the clamps. It's sealed, so right now we're gonna wait a little bit in order for the glue to dry, and after that I'm gonna call the customer. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye.